Essential nature and elements. Cosmic elements, the building blocks. The three bullet points shown here outline how planets embody fundamental elements. Mars and Sun's fiery nature manifests as initiative and leadership. Mercury's earthy quality shows in practical reasoning, while Saturn's airy nature brings detachment. Jupiter's etheric element governs wisdom, and Venus and Moon's watery nature influences emotions. Understanding these elemental connections helps grasp planetary influences in practical life situations. These basic elements form the foundation of all planetary interpretations and their effects on human experience. Elements in action or living forces. Looking at element based effects, practical applications, and modern relevance reveals daily manifestations of planetary elements. When planets express through their elements, they influence behavior patterns and decision making in predictable ways. This knowledge has practical applications in choosing appropriate times for activities and understanding personal tendencies. Modern life reflects these elemental influences in career choices and relationship dynamics. Consider how elemental qualities shape your own experiences. A question for you: how do planetary elements manifest in your daily life experiences? So you can relate to some of these elemental significations that have been shared. For example, Mars and Sun are for initiative and leadership. So you can then map it to yourself. If you have that, then you can interpret it as you having a strong Sun or Mars. Or you can think of someone you know who is a leader or who takes initiatives.